Welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that Fetch AI needs to break above in the next coming hours, give you areas that you also need to continue holding above, and also share out my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. And at the time of this recording, Fetch AI is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. In the past few hours, we also saw a break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.39 mark, flipping that key area of resistance into support. And as long as we continue holding above it, there are high chances that Fetch AI is going to give us a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $0.45 mark and maybe continue gearing up even higher. We have also seen a break out of a range that I gave you in my last video between the $0.39 mark, which is resistance, and support at around the $0.33 mark, where we had been seeing much of a consolidation within the area, in a move that has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And zooming out on the charts, you can see that after getting our low on the 18th of August down at around the $0.16 mark, we saw that massive push giving us a high above the $0.27 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side. And after getting the high for that first wave, we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximizing minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using the blue target area. Saw a reaction of that and got this impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, fully maximizing minimum target areas at around the $0.38 mark, in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.41 mark, before we started another pullback in what I'm now terming as the formation of this wave 4. And there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive move in the formation of this wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3, giving me a minimum target area for the wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the $0.4617 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 5 to the upper side to do. So there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see one more leg up, getting a high above the $0.46 mark in the formation of this wave 5, before we can see another pullback in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, because I will be terming these as the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 after peaking in a 5 wave structure to the upper side. And zooming out to give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out in the bull market, you can see that back in 2020 we saw our low at around the $0.0525 mark before we peaked in a 5 wave structure over here, getting a high above the $0.61 mark, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now given us a pullback into the minimum target area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and Fetch AI is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of this wave 3. Minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $1 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect Fetch AI to do in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.